Guys, in front of me is REALME Narzo 70, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper and Style, click on Wallpaper here, and now you can either add some picture from your photos or choose something from System Wallpapers. Let me pick one from them, for example this one. If you like it, just mark Set As and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I'll pick this third option, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, both your lock and home screen are covered with this picture. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.